Welcome once again to the Daily Message. As I mentioned yesterday, throughout this week, I'm going to be offering some brief reflections on the Jesuit practice of examen. Every day, 2 or 3 times a day, the Jesuit takes time out to ask himself these 5 questions or to take a look at these 5 suggestions. Today I want to focus on the second, which says, give thanks for God's many gifts. And even though these are hard times, we still are blessed in many ways. And so there are so many things that we can give thanks to God for. One of them is our health, if we are in good health. Every breath that we take, every heartbeat, every step that we take is a reminder of God's presence and God's goodness to us. We can be thankful for work, those who are still employed, those who are working from home. We can give thanks for the blessing of our work. And at the same time, we can remember those who are unfortunately out of work and who are struggling at this time. We can give thanks to God for the gift of food, not just for the food that we eat, but we can give thanks for those who grow our food, who harvest our food, who prepare it, who ship it, and who stock it, and who check us out at the grocery lines. We can give thanks for the gift of family. Many of us cannot be physically present with our families these days, but we can still give thanks that they are with us and for their love. And we can give thanks for the weather that we're experiencing this beautiful spring, even on those days when it can be cold and blustery. We can give thanks for the sunlight, for the trees that are blooming, for the flowers that are growing. So there are many things today and every day for which we can give thanks. I give thanks to you for watching and listening today and pray that you have a good day.